Hello everyone. In the previous video, we successfully modified the source code in the users API microservice. Yeah, and this time we will try updating again, but we will also update the version of the Docker image. Okay, let us make the update. We will change the message here. Change the message here at this particular line. This will change the message displayed in Postman. Let us try MongoDB in capital. Okay, now uh, we will modify the message, and now we will rebuild. We will run the Docker build again, but this time we will add a tag, for example, version 2.0.0, and build it. After that, we push it to Docker Hub. Okay, it's been successfully pushed. Let's check the Docker Hub. Okay, it was pushed 1 minute ago. Let's verify the version. There should be version 2.0.0. Yes, there it is. Pushed 1 minute ago. We will apply this version 2.0.0 to our application. Currently, our Kubernetes cluster is still using the latest version. So we will update the Kubernetes users.yaml file to use version 2.0.0 for the pods instead. 2.0.0. And we need to make that change. Then we need to reapply it. Go to Kubernetes folder and reapply it. We will do this just for the users file, since that's where the change was made. So you will see that a message that it has been configured. Let's check with kubectl get deployments to see if it's running. Okay, so it's already running. The user's deployment. Let's try checking it in Postman. Click send. Yeah, after applying the new YAML file, the pods will automatically update. Let's check by kubectl get pods. There it is. 45 seconds ago, the user deployment is updated. And the version 2.0 with the MongoDB message here has been successfully applied. All right, that's it for this series. So we have created a Kubernetes cluster allowing us to deploy our microservices application to the AWS EKS cluster. This makes it accessible to developers or others via the AWS load balancer URL. Yeah, that's all from me for this series. So if you have any questions, feedback, or suggestions, and feel free to add them in the comment section. I hope this has been helpful for all of you. Thank you and see you soon.